Experience the luxury of two soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature-controlled drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration.
Take command of mealtime with Thor Kitchen and cook like a god. Great recipes call for crisp, fresh ingredients. Answering the call is Thor's 36-inch professional French door refrigerators. Open the doors to a higher level of culinary excellence. Inside is where the magic happens. Bigger is better, and the 22.6 cubic foot storage capacity stores enough food for any meals you can dish out. Thor's twin cooling system separates refrigerator and freezer zones, so your French vanilla below will never smell like the fresh salmon above. Moisture, odor transfer, and freezer burn? Gone. Compliments on meals? Way up. LED lighting makes it easy to see what's inside, especially during those midnight munchie runs. Easy to adjust controls keep food at the optimum temperature. Chill out with on-demand ice. Adjustable racks and shelves make it a cinch to store food in every size and shape. Easy to clean stainless steel finishes resist fingerprints and smudges, so you never have to explain yourself. How can something designed to keep food cold look so hot? The Thor Kitchen Professional French Door Refrigerator.
Hisense has always focused on the quality of every single detail, including noise detection, 100,000 times door opening and closing experiments, and testing for 4 consecutive days under extreme high temperatures and 5 days under low temperatures. Hisense ensures reliability. For every finished refrigerator product that you see, tools had to be designed. Process had to be created. 8 laboratory systems were used with trend-setting ideas and innovative technologies for every specific facet of the products. It's time to experience the fascination. Get your drinks icy cold within a minute. It's perfect for the whole season.
It's really great. The refrigerator has enough capacity for a whole family, and we love the My Fresh Choice feature.
Cette poignée de gâteaux avance de la texture et du lait.
Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door InstaView. Knock twice, see inside.